It's a great day today. So much of sunshine after days of rain. But only a day that interrupted my coming to the beach. 2 days, despite the challenges of the rain, I was able to spend about 2 hours. 2 days, I got a little bit drenched in the rain, but that's all right. I've been used to this kind of things. Today is exceptionally a beautiful and bright day with sun shining on the Dehiwala beach and all around city of Colombo, I believe. Ladies and gentlemen, our human nature has so many desires and we remain unsatisfied all the time. Desire for love, for money, pleasure, attention, and the list can go on like that. We will always be unsatisfied in some point in time. That's the human nature, the human desire. And that is where we have so many challenges in fulfilling our desires and reaching satisfaction. That's why in the commercial world always offers various fake offers to us and says, if you have that, you'll be utterly satisfied. You'll be thoroughly satisfied. We will guarantee your complete satisfaction. I can tell you, ladies and gentlemen, no product, no service, no man, no woman, no situation, no circumstance can satisfy you utterly or thoroughly 100%. That's a kind of a mirage, something which is not realistic. But what is essential is measurement of the contentments. The contentments are something very simple and very joyful and very enriching. And if you set the milestones and the benchmarks and the stages, then you would see that you are able to reach them. Because sometimes, ladies and gentlemen, we have many challenges. There are many good things that sometimes that happens to us always. Even rain is a good thing. Sunshine is a good thing. We need to recognize and appreciate. Sometimes we always remember the bad things, not the good things. Sometimes when somebody does a good, we forget it fast. When somebody does bad thing, we remember it till the eternity. And that's where that we need to measure our contentments, then reach for satisfaction of our desires. Because you and I never will be satisfied in our desire, human nature will crave for unended, unlimited things, whether it's money, whether it's pleasure, whether it's food, whether it's anything else. Ladies and gentlemen, we are living in a challenging times. Measure your contentments and you are able to realize them and have the joy and enrichment all the time.